Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our 2021 Grady-White 235 Freedom. This dual console is an ocean mist blue hull, full hull color. Put a white Yamaha 300 on the back. Take a look at the boat from the outside so you can see the covers on. It does have the tonneau cover up forward, the drop curtain in the back, three-sided enclosure. Boat does have trim tabs, boarding ladder from the back. We'll take some covers off, we'll go inside, and we'll take a look through. As we come aboard our 23-foot Grady, we'll see the walk-through transom door, live well, fish box. This boat is optioned with the pop-up ski pole. There is storage in the transom. You can put your sandbar anchor, your dock lines there. There's your freshwater wash down, rod hold. Rod holders on the tower legs, white metal. We did option this boat with the electric sun lounge. Comes out, makes a nice lounge. This boat does have the upgraded helm seat with the arms on it. You can see the companion seat as well with a footrest in front. There is a seat in the back which comes up. Pop-up cleats, your saltwater wash down, speakers, rod holders. Just rattling off some options. Here's your helm. Has a tilt helm, wheel with a knob. Your Fusion stereo is on board. Yamaha gauges, compass, windshield wiper. This boat does have the three-sided enclosure. The underside of the hard top. Ocean mist blue to match the hull. Lots of lighting, cockpit lighting. Forward, we have seating, some storage underneath, insulated storage. It's hinged, has a gasket on it. Put the seats down, take a look. Very well done. Speakers, cup holders forward. There's a weather door to close. Boat does have the optional table forward. We put the electric head in this boat with the overboard discharge. Teak and holly floor. Boat does have USB chargers. Take a look around. See the white motor again. The walk-through transom door. The cockpit combing, very well thought out. This is our 23-foot Grady-White Freedom. It's here in Ocean View, New Jersey. Call us, come see us, take a look. We think you'll really like this boat. Thank you.